Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video guys, gagawa tayo ng pound cake. And first ingredients is 2 cups na guys, all-purpose flour. And then 1 cup na granulated sugar guys. And then 2 teaspoon na baking powder. So i-save lang natin itong mga dry ingredients guys para walang buo-buo. Soft ang ating mixture later. After that one guys, mag-add na tayo ng 1 cup na butter, unsalted butter, any kind guys na butter. And then i-mix-mix lang guys, pero parang nahihirapan ako dito. So gagamit ako ng guys, spatula this one guys para ma-mix natin. So dry pa ito guys, since maglagay na lang tayo ng guys, since first after guys, nabulol na ko sa voice over guys, maglagay na tayo ng itlog. 4 ito guys, per 1 step at a time. And then pagkatapos guys, i-mix lang natin. And then maglagay na rin tayo ng 1/2 cup na milk. Evap yung ginamit ko dito guys, any kind of milk. And then atin nang i-mix also guys, dahan-dahan lang kasi para guys, hindi tayo mahihirapan, di ba? Naubusan ako ng voice over guys. So after that one guys, make lang, mix. So maglagay na tayo ng guys, another egg. So ito na yung guys, mixture. Medyo pa soft na siya guys, since 4 na itlog ating ilalagay today, plus milk na also guys. So soft na siyang mixture. So may 2 itlog guys, atin nang ilagay lahat dito guys, kasi 4 nga ito, di ba? Pabalik-balik na ako guys. Next but last na guys is itong 2 teaspoon na vanilla para mabango ang ating pound cake guys. So itong recipe guys is nakita ko lang ito sa YouTube also guys. So sabi ko ito kaya yung i-try ko another cake, kasi last time is banana bread. So ito naman cake naman tayo guys. Na lang ako guys, kasi you know, ang gagamitin ko guys is oven toaster. So I'm gonna think na hopefully successful tayo sa cake na ito guys. And then, na-mix na natin guys. Ito na yung mixture. Ito na yung butter guys, yung tinatawag. So, ito yung very soft guys, kasi 4 na itlog, milk, and then, guys, butter na 1 cup. So, sobrang smooth nito guys. And, ilalagay na natin sa ating baking pan. So, 9x8. 8x8 pala itong pan ko guys. Mix lang or fit lang sa aking oven toaster. Pagkatapos guys, i-bake na itong, guys, hindi pa na i-bake guys, ati pang sisimutin lahat kasi mahal ang ingredients. So kinalang tilokon guys, okay? So atong like that guys, 2 times or 3 para walang bubbles guys. So nag-preheat na ako ng oven, ilagay na natin ito guys. Bali guys, ito is 325 Fahrenheit, 50 to 60 minutes ang baking nito. But dito guys, 50 lang guys yung binake ko para hindi ma-overbake or para okay guys. 50 to 60 pero 50 lang ito guys. So, tcharan! Fast forward guys. Ito na yung pound cake natin. Yes guys. Sobrang sarap. Nalalanghap ko. Nasisimot ko yung butter. And then guys, na-dance ako dito guys kasi ang saya ko. Kasi oven toaster baka hindi mag-success. But anyway, ito na yung pound cake natin. Fresh from the oven guys. Sobrang sarap. Yung butter talaga guys, sobrang bango. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.